Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to switch between Paycom accounts. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To switch between multiple accounts, such as when you have access to both your personal employee account and a separate administrator or manager account, what you can do is first head over and open up your Paycom app, and then be sure to be logged in to your account. Then once logged into your account, click on your profile icon on the name at the top right corner on Paycom dashboard and select logout. Then enter the credentials for other account you wish to access. Then you can use different browsers or incognito mode. For it, simply open a browser and then log in to one of the accounts of the Paycom. Then you can also utilize browser profiles as well. Some browsers like Google Chrome allows you to create multiple user profiles. You can set up a separate profile for each Paycom account, making it easier to switch between them. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.